The MVP for open category, Manoj Yadav. Thanks for all the entertainment, Manoj, for the last 2 days. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Manoj. And the bat is sponsored by Seagull.
Here. Can you take out the cap?
Thank you so much. Thank you, Manoj. Moving to the.
Thanks, Manoj. Thank you, sir.
So we have Lay from Ombari Time to give us the next set of awards, and that will be for the warrior category. We have, let's start with the runners-up award. The open category warrior runners-up is AMC. The captain from AMC, thank you so much. If you have the players, can we have all of them, please? Please join the captain. Thank you. We have the medals for the entire team. Thank you, Mr. Babarwal. Can we have all your team, please? Thank you so much for the warrior category. Marine Care. And then the teams.
Whoa!
And we have the there we go. That brings a lot of cheer from the team. No, I can take it from you. Okay, thank you.
The bottle is hidden.
Thanks, boys, for entertaining. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Seagull.
What are we doing next?
Now moving on to the corporate warriors. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Why not?
And this time the runners-up for the corporate warrior category was MOL. We're requesting the MOL captain to please. They had given a walkover, so yeah, I think we have anybody from MOL. Thank you.
They're sitting at that table.
Thanks so much. Now going to the winners for the Corporate Warrior Cup is DMET. Thank you, DMET.
I'll call you back. I'll call you back.
DMET.
And medals in corporate.
They're joining in or?
Warriors.
These are corporate warriors. Thank you so much. Now moving on to the challengers category.
I gave them
Oh, there's another whiskey for them. The fuck?
Krishna ji is happy. Hey! What is this going on, Krishna ji? 18-year Glenfiddich.
15, 15, 15.
Thank you.
Put the bottle forward.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Seagull, for this.
Thank you, Seagull.
Thank you so much. Thanks, guys. Thank you and well played. Category we have for the open now. Challenger runners-up will be MCC. Vinayak and the team. That's MCC, ladies and gentlemen. Runners-up for the challenger category in open. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, well done. Thanks, Vinayak.
Sanjeev, आप आइए.
Now, open challenger, the winners from the birthday boy KSB Mavericks. Can we have the winners for the open challenger category? KSB Maverick and the birthday boy Punit and team.
This is winners or runners up? Winners. अरे वाह.
One sec, here.
Punit celebrating his 60th birthday. Happy birthday once again. Thank you. Happy birthday, Punit. God bless you with all the best things in life. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Now, for the corporate category.
और लिया पीछे हाँ सांस रुकी हुई है
Thank you. Thank you, Pat Cummings. The Pat Cummings of CSC. Thank you. Well done, buddy. Now, moving to the corporate challenge category. The runners-up was Uma Marine. Requesting the Uma Marine team and the captain to come forward, please. Uma Marine. This is the corporate challenge runners-up. Runners-up.
I will change this photo. Promise. He wants it to.
Thanks, everyone. Well played. Check.
Shift in, guys. Shift in, guys. Shift in, shift in.
Getting all the reins, everyone. You guys have done a fantastic job. Let's hear for Uma Marine. Now, the corporate challenge winner. None other than EPS. Can requesting EPS to come forward. Brilliant team, EPS. Well done, guys. Well done.
Well done, boys. Come this side. Danish. One with the lady also, the EPS lady. Please, please come. Please, lady has to be here, of course.
Come on boys
Well done, boys.
EPS! EPS! Well done, guys. Thank you so much. Rain or no rain, it is EPS, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Executives! The executives! Well done, guys.
Sumit's left.
The runners up from the corporate champion category.
Executive captain. Come on. Congratulations.
look here Okay, done. Good job.
Thank you so much, guys. Looking forward to see you guys again next year. And hoping for the winner cup for you guys next year. Now, for the corporate champions, can we have the champions TK? TK boys, everybody please. Kema, Sanjeev, everybody please.
Later you can take
Guys, here.
one more important guest.
Thank you so much. Now for the Open Champions category. Over to the Open Champions category. The runners-up will be Roaring 50s. Can we have the Roaring 50s? Roaring 50s. Guys, Roaring 50s. The team. Richie, can we have the boys? Thank you, Richie. Thank you, 50s. Dada, thank you so much. Sanjeev Da for one of the best catches of the tournament. Guru. Raghav, come, Ajam.
Come here.
Well done, guys.
Clap.
Well done, guys. Thank you so much. And for the last award of the day, the Open Champion winners. Can we have the Open Champion winners, the HP boys? HP boys. HP boys, Manoj, Pramod, can we have the HP boys, please? Nagraj. Kenny Kishore.
Congrats, guys. Super. Well done. Fabulous.
Aritra, thank you guys. Thanks for entertaining us. Jigar Patel.
Congrats.
Open champion winner, HP boys, ladies and gentlemen, and the damager for the HP boys. Well done, guys. Thank you so much.
अरुण जी की बोलता है इसको.
Thank you.
Hey, come here. Yeah, please.
Hey, Subho, come na, Subho.
No.
Hey, come.
Subho, come.
Thank you, boys. Well done, and see you again next year.
Seagull.
And the sponsor, Seagull. Thank you so much for all the whiskeys on the floor from Seagull. Thank you, Seagull. Well done, guys. Thank you so much. Rakesh ji, well done.
Guys, I'd like to say very big thank you to all of you for being such a wonderful event. All these past 2 days, things did fly all over, but you know what? We've all emerged winners, and the best part, cricket is the winner. So here's a big cheers to all the teams.
Well done, guys.
Well done, guys. Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
Thank you.
See you guys next year.
And a big thank you to Sailesh, who's kept us completely entertained. Chandru and your entire team. Thank you. Sanhit, Dean, thank you. Tatiana, who isn't here, thank you. Everybody here, thank you very much. And it's been a wonderful weekend.
Thank you. Signing off, and see you guys next year. Thank you so much.